Think you know Sweet Earth? How about a quick history lesson? Sweet Earth was created more than a decade ago with the revolutionary goal: kick off a modern culinary movement with plant-based foods that are good in every sense of the word. That's good for the earth, good for the body, and good for the soul. Fast forward to today, and Sweet Earth is completely reimagining plant-based in food service. We've talked with operators and their customers to find out what matters most. And we're putting decades of food service experience to work for you. Here's what makes Sweet Earth a bit sweeter than the competition. As the only plant-based proteins crafted in a kitchen by professional chefs for professional chefs, Sweet Earth delivers bold, flavorful options that are culinary first. And with 6 protein options and growing, Sweet Earth fits right into any food service kitchen and menu. Plus, our products are nutritiously rich and sourced with sustainability in mind. They're also non-GMO and totally delicious, just what consumers want. But that's only part of the story. Sweet Earth, backed by the power of Nestlé Professional, is made up of a passionate team of leaders in the plant-based category. And we're here to help support you and your business. From how to market to how to menu and everything in between, when you start your plant-based journey with Sweet Earth, you have a partner who has your back. Sweet Earth. It's plant-based, reimagined.